welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds. One command in the terminal, and then wait for a few lines to appear. Seems builder is a class I want today. Started. Localhost. Okay, let's do this. I want one tower builder. The sides are enemies. If I can close to them, they attack me. If my HP reaches 0, I die. The bar above my head. As a tower builder, I can place towers and do damage. How far am I? Careful. Let's rest in here. Which tower do I have? 35. Let's do one more. 40 might be enough to use this. Not single target. HP might. Click this in. Okay. Smart. 2800 towers, 26 HP rack. Movement speed +3. Okay. Damage for the rest. Maybe a few more towers. Okay, the big one disappeared, I do. King, boss, king. Okay. Should be something level 2 for 1, okay. I don't need more, I can. Oh, 50. Do a single target tower. Thing. Okay, this is. Oh, dangerous. I'm tanky. Okay, failed at 5%. I thought I'm tanky, but I died pretty fast. Hundred, 250. Okay, the damage spiked. But I want the test game. Object. This was 1-1. This builder long. Okay, I can activate it again. Long. It's not quite a winning one, but to the end. Okay, what am I working on? Permanent HP increase. I need to do upgrades buildings and the currency for it. Designed for multiple building types. And maybe if I got everything right, I can add second building. I call it upgrade building. Part of so far, so good. I have my class building stuff in the map object. I should separate. At least it's 400 lines long enough. Let's try to buildings. Can I move it? He fixed everything. add class building or building class? I think this is somehow duplicated. Class building class building. For some reason I like class building more building class. Let's do it this way. Let's filter out stuff I have. Is this a problem now? It's the same in 2 locations. Does this work? I will see. Now I need to see which. Let's take this one also to class building. This game. Object class building. This is the default class building. Base. Let's make an export function. It in class building. Make it this way. And here return. I need tiles. Tile y decounter. Okay. Want to somehow I'm missing buttons so many times. X Y I don't this I can do this can chunk tile moment have to check something. ID counter. Chunk tile. now be in there. Should be okay. Class building. Check all placeholder legendary. This is not object related. A lot will legendary believe thing. So also also so interact. No, these are not, I guess. One character to make legendary. Here is class building. Place player class of so save. Export it. I didn't export it. See, interact destroy, interact bow, class build ID. Interact stats UI class build. So I can probably also move in class building. And what was this? And interact. These fit in here. Great. Stats UI class building. Let's write the other way around. Skin. Let's try always starting class building. They are exported. Now I need to fix everything. This is exported. Find my ID. Exported. Port. its stats UI is okay. Then I move it back. This one is app object related. Back in here. Polynet exported, so I can take the old name. And this one seems fine. This one also seems fine already. No, but doesn't matter. It's all very specific stuff. Direct is class building. Oh, let's begin the next one. Great building. I have no idea what I need. I need a type. I need an image. Now I can use the same image, I guess. Class building is not building. Great building. Really don't need upgrade building. Building. I don't have these three. I don't have this thing. I need. What do I need? This upgrade building needs a level, I would say. And depending on the upgrade type. So this will be type HP level. Good enough for now. I could for now type upgrade types type is list of strings. C HP or XP. Let's do it. I don't want another typically image I will change it later. Don't do it. So I have a type. This would be the upgrade level. The question is, should I put in cost scaling in here? Let's do it. Next, I need to create one. Create build a class building. It will upgrade building. Now it should go plain. But these threes I'm using building one exactly. I need to know with the image building one, which is fine. I'm missing upgrade level starts with 0. Upgrade type is what I need here. Let's do it as first. Can place in here. I can have to think. App object place class building. This creates a new. I want app object upgrade building. To interact are fine. Paint interact will work. Do I need this one? Is a class building. It's created first, so it would make sense. It used somewhere else. It can be released. This is also in code. Building type should consider we next to type. Next one. Here, this I can switch over now. Right, this one here, just over. Move this. I have it here. I no longer need it here. I will use a build type. Don't know, it's this one. Don't know if it's better. Let's have done this other to think about. Let's change this to type. Type. Stuff I moved. King and okay, we're fixed. Oh, this. So I moved the I fixed one thing. I'm not far with great buildings. I'll do the map object. Great building. Start with class build. Great building. Just with a building ID reference, which is fine. Building class building. Wait, no suggestions. Building. The map object. Great. Great building. Map object place. Great building. This. It gets a spawn chunk. Don't need this. I don't need this. To find a chunk. But I will go to 7 with this one. I don't do a class building, but great building. Upgrade building. Great type. Let's do HP. Tile. I think these are the ones I want. State ID counter. Use the Wait, build. Detectable. Okay, this seems fine. I didn't change this up. Does this have the image? It has the image. Could also do tile X, tile Y. I put it on the tile on objects. Okay. Buildings and save it. Okay, fine. Stats. This is not. Okay, interact, destroy. Do not have it. It's first one for now. Interact, level up. I need find, I need to exist. This is also not relevant. All not relevant. So and interact. I need to find the object, fine. This is not find build class building find D. Let's call it in this case it should be upgrade building. If I don't find it, position, top middle position, text is now duplicated, but doesn't matter. Building Y, except character class here. I think it's a class building, because it's class building find by ID. Does upgrade building find by ID exist? No. Find by ID. There was one. I did all. Let's put it over class building. This will upgrade building find by ID. Turn upgrade build. Building. Building. This one. Can search it. The ID. Need game. doesn't have an ID. Okay, so ID is object class build ID, but this is correctly this white build, or could make a type building. Vector class doesn't exist. Push just some texts. Deleted. Can be kept. Okay. This upgrade building. Scores. Okay. So far, so good. Paint class building. Is there something different? Don't paint abilities. Upgrade building class. So on. It's no longer fits. So does not fit. Just need to do the paint default. Okay. So I don't need it at all because I think this will be taken by default. Can place it, but I don't place it yet. Have some empty. So this is, I put in a heading and this all. This is not done yet. Tag level up. Doesn't do anything yet. Paint interact. Okay, I have something it can do. Possibly I could already place it. But let's wait. If currently I do I only want one building currently. Currently this places. It doesn't matter. Let's call it and see what happens. I would say game restart. No, I do on end game. I don't care what it is, I just place it. So only a restart doesn't trigger it. If I'm correct. Let's see what happens. Okay. try to die. Did not happen. Why? Doesn't seem to be complete. Don't see an error. Game state buildings. There's something in there. It's an upgrade building. It's on 07. So the first part happened. Now I need in the map chunks. The chunk 00 should have objects. Test the upgrade building. Oh, the question is, why isn't it painted? Test building 1. Something is broken. Did I break it generally? Let's try something. Okay, this building is visible. Expected 07 something here. It's not. I think this gives me something yet. Fair. Class building. Seven. 1, 2. I don't see why there shouldn't be any paint. I never tested the default paint, I guess. Objects, paint, and map chunk object. Don't have a paint, I paint default. Go to sources. Object, paint map object. Maybe something is missing. So I expect to run through here. No. Ah, I didn't edit. Okay, I have an idea. It doesn't exist yet. Map object upgrade. No, it exists. Tell me. Now it runs through here. I have two down here. Wait. Progress. Diff I. To wait building. No. Check this here. It's good enough. Console. No, isn't. doesn't react to it. Oh, it's a class building, so this is still incorrect. Same as his. Upgrade building, find ID. To copy. Okay. A few things. Up interact and upgrade building, which doesn't have any information yet. Okay. This building exists and get placed a new one every time. Every time? Can we turn? Okay, so I have a limit. The limit currently is chunk length. Let's make it limited by 2. Wouldn't be any new. Okay. Okay, what's next? I could add text. Let's see, class building. It interacts. I have something like this. I want the interact destroy. I want the interact bow key. Interact. Okay, let's do this. Put it in interact 1. Is HP. Okay, the idea. Upgrade with impressive. This doesn't. I could. Level up. No, the upgrade up interact. I could just do interactor HP HP plus equals 10. HP both. C takes press F and can base my HP. It's not bound to anything. How do I present it? Also do something different. First thing is, these should be permanent upgrades, but only permanent per character. It's interesting. So I need to detect. So I do not have a level in the building, basically. Throw this away. It's I have to have it on the character. So the character has upgrades. Have the plus upgrades. To think. Do not save it in the building, but where? Don't have permanent upgrades. This would be a third part. I need a new one. I need to start somewhere else. I am. Let me think. Have characters. Character models. I think I have upgrades. Pain. I don't have. I have choices. Only the character class has them. Character class has upgrades. Character upgrade. The character. Okay, now I have the problem. Do I bind it to a player should be able to select for themselves? I shouldn't consider multiplayer yet. I have to consider multiplayer. But But for multiplayer, maybe I don't need to save it. I could just save. That would be stupid if I don't save it. But I don't have a multiplayer. I don't remember players and their character. Every time someone reconnects, it's forgotten. I have to write something down. Have bit and upgrade buildings, so this is more or less done. Redesigning might work for now. Where to save permanent upgrades. Every player should be able to spend own points. The requirement. So I could save it as a player. Save at player. Save in player. And on game start, set to character. Set to character. But if I do it, no, okay, I save it in player. The player has a QNC. Player. Every player should be able to spend on points. Save in player. Game start set. Game start at grades to character. This works. Now player. Local storage will. Don't care for local storage now. Might be an idea. If I ignore local storage for now. Give each player QNC. Can spend it. It's set to the characters. To the character. I currently don't see a problem with it. Let's try it. Game of the player somewhere. Okay, it was there. I have now. Now let's call it currency number and upgrades. And this is Like a character upgrade? I can ignore it for now. Let's character. It was in the club. Here are the upgrades. Here are the upgrades. This be put in here. Feel it like it should be. Or is there a difference? Character. Okay, these are character upgrades. So bonus health. So these upgrades are upgrades which can be skill point upgrade basically. I need to change namings again. Okay, this is bonus health. Can I create one by myself? Character upgrade. Character upgrade bonus HP. The level doesn't matter. Create it by myself. Put it in. So for now I could use character upgrades. Play. Let's try. There's an array. Currency. Start with I have 1000 currency. And upgrades are empty. Now when I use my upgrade building, interact level up. First I need to find player by ID, by character ID, this one. Game state players. My ID is interactor D. Do I need the building? Don't think I need the building. Okay, delete. Con player equals this. Should be able to be undefined, I guess. It's null. Player. No player I can return. Else. That's what I do. I want create. First I need to search if I know I in player upgrades I search if my upgrade point level doesn't have a name. The level. This doesn't make sense. What am I missing? I have to differentiate upgrades. Character upgrade. It's only a level. I have a key. This is 1 second. Character class. Are keys to okay, this is a difference. Fair. Next do it this way. Yeah. Object. Change it up. It's no longer a find. It's a question if is it called bonus upgrade bonus character upgrade. He knows it. So if could let it HP upgrade. I don't have it, I can create it. Don't even accept undefined. Character update or undefined. So it's undefined, but it should HP upgrade. This should be character upgrade. No. Why don't I find them? Character upgrade. What did I search? It's not exported. bonus HP. This is, tell me. Doesn't he know it? Okay, now he can help me. Yes, now he can help me. Level doesn't matter. Bonus HP is 0 as a start. And I need play upgrades equals HP upgrade. So now an HP upgrade. HP upgrade. Oh, I have duplicated. Great. No, let's change it up. HP upgrade again. Character upgrade. HP. Complain. Is correct. I don't know if he accepts undefined now. Task. I change the original one. Need to do this one. Set it. I place it. Can use it. HP is 10. I keep it. Let's keep it for now. So node HP up. Bonus HP is plus equals 10. No. Okay, and I could okay, now I put them to the player. Now I need to consider player upgrades when I create player characters. But I have no class where I push it to. But I don't need it necessarily. Do I? Think. Let's go to HP upgrade again. I add upgrade. It's always character class related. No, again. It's character upgrade related. I want a character class in here. If I do this as optional, undefined, let's so I could now do this one is first. It's character class related. I do these two. else I just add it to the character. The add upgrade is something I need. Add to this one. Does this crash? Creates errors. To consider it here now. Interesting. Something feels off. Do I use two functions? Because now I need to split. So this one has to happen, should happen. The damage reduction. Let's put this here. This is if the character class is here. Check if the upgrades exists. Change it, and this is check if character class upgrades already exist. Add. Okay. Still not. This is why I had two functions. Do we use it, but it's basically just these two. No, can just use upgrade, can I? Can't I? Just order differently. Creates upgrade, adds upgrade. This should be it. Let's go to bonus health. How do I do it here? Execute, get, add. I think there is a difference. Check if the upgrade exists. I do an add in between. it's different what I did. Let's find out. They apply. I cannot use this class 2 times, so this will happen 2 times. Add upgrade doesn't do anything different, just casting it didn't change anything. This has multiple levels. To create and add. I search it, increase the bonus HP, so it will can add it later, but upgrade this doesn't consider its existence. Character class. I put it in. So I overwrite if it's the second time in it. That's the only bad part. I come from a different. I specifically do it. I think this will work. So the char class. Here I need one. Those are gone. Okay. If I'm now at now I probably search where this is used. In character, yeah. It's in character class. Character class ups. This one is F. Character class upgrades. To add them. Let's export function add character weights. I have something like this. Character class upgrades will be part of this. Okay, I need to add it somewhere. Do character class as I have, or undefined. Can do here character class. Need to this. Okay, it's a let. Character upgrades to character upgrades. This. I don't need this, I guess. I don't. I could. This should be set already. Key, this should be I guess. Okay, this character class is required. Also character required. And I should do character instead. Character and character class. Still unsure. Let's do it this. I have character upgrades. I go over the keys. I expect I take this key now. This is what I want to add to this character class. And this character class can be undefined. This character, the character I need here. He wants to edit. Add upgrade will care to edit. This one is what I don't have a type for, I guess. I have a type for it. Add upgrade functions. Not the type I want. Character upgrade. Character upgrades. string key. I have key string like this, I guess. Type I use here. This is now character upgrades. And it's fine. Something is missing. What am I searching? Player character? Yeah, this one. And I'm lost. As the upgrade, I need to add the upgrades. I With my play, I guess this was correct. I was doing some function. Oh, I guess I am creating these new all the time. Something I have to look into later. I've forgotten where I was working on this function. The character upgrade. It character upgrades this one. And I did something similar somewhere. Is it character class? Look like it. It's this one. Too many references. Add existing character class. This is the one I searched. So I could maybe now do this, and this would need character and this would move this away. And now I need to go to game init to verify something. Init game init. No. Players, I clear them. Game init players. Game init players. Init player. Init player. Character. Okay, I need to redo this. I create the player character. So I create first the character and then I create the player for it. But I think I need to go back to game where I init it. So I don't need to reset the players. I need to reset. I have to assume these are here. So let's change it up for player of game state players. This will be removed. Game. No. Player. Actions pressed. Maybe I need to reset this one. What I have. Okay, maybe can I even. What is allowed for this? Can this be undefined? No, it has to be a new character. Player, something else? Currency, upgrades. No, basically, think I need to create a new player. But the order is incorrect. Let's see. I init players. Did I lose something? No. Okay, so let's do something like this. No. So game init players. I didn't reset the players. What I need to check is I go over client info. With my number players. The player button I never clear them. Basically need to know if I need to recreate them. Does something. Player spawn is okay. So the problem is I do not know player exists for client. Here I just create completely from new. This doesn't work anymore. So this will be not in here. I hope not clearing the player character breaks something. Shouldn't. Game init players I will change. I expected that game state players was empty again. And then I create new. This I cannot save player stuff. Now I need to check if let's change it up. I use this as a counter, but I have also client infos can change. Okay, then let's do something. For let a equals 0, smaller. So plus I const client is client infos I now. Is this a number? What do I have in here? ID, name. Okay, fine. Now find layer. Find client ID. Client info character ID. I want it the other way around. Find player. Find client ID. Game state. Players. 0. This has the client ID. Okay. Didn't do a function for it. Let's do function find player client ID f player ID. No. Client ID number players player. I return up players find pay point client ID equals client ID. I return. This can also be undefined. player is this one. D state players. Let's remove this now. If player, I don't have a player, I need to create it. Let's do something like this. Have an I, perfect. To add a player. I don't have it. I could else player with a spawn. It's a player. Something else needs to happen. Player character needs to be created. I add player, I create the player character. This is player spawn. D counters game state ID counter. Seed is the random seed, isn't it? Game state random seed. See, I throw the old character away, get a new one. Perfect. And also here I can now add character upgrades. And this is player upgrades. I have player character. And I don't have a character class undefined. But there's one more thing. I add a player. I create a player. Let's reset character. Create action pressed. Then I am sure that I reset it. I'm currently not sure if I need to do it. But this resets it at least. Number play. What do I do here? Go over the players. This is the old loop. Basically, if I find my own character, I set some stuff. There's no one here, isn't it? I can remove this. Every client, if I'm client ID 0-1 means not multiplayer, which is a very bad type to check this. or my client ID is equals client the current one. I'm the current one. I state player's character. This is incorrect. I. Okay, I don't set player at it. So let's create a player. Create player. Instead, I return it. Does he care? Duplicate. Where's the other one? Okay, this is create play. Player character basically. No. And player character. This is my create player and player character. Create player with player character. Player is this one. But here I need to do game state players push. And now it should work. I point the okay. Maybe it works. I'm missing I get HP. This is nowhere mentioned. And now if I restart, I still have the 300. It works like I wanted to. At least it's now on the character. Let's change some stuff up first. Don't even know if it's here. It's here. Let's only allow one building. Local storage. It's not here. I just need to die. Okay, now it should be here. Now let's try a second one. Enough. Thank you. Only one. Increase it now forever. I should limit it. So let's do this and then I should come to an end slowly. have this, save it in player, I have done it, dev tasks, make upgrade cost QNC. Am I? Go to map upgrade. Q and sure if it's upgrade building or in here, but this does the interact. Now let's do it in here. I want to have find player by character ID. I need a player behind it. Have game state players and actor D and add player const. What I do, I already have the player. I have the player. I checked if the player exists. Checked if the player has the upgrade. I now need QNC cost. So let's okay. I const bonus HP will now be have the HP upgrade. Have the bonus HP, which is currently given by this upgrade. I basically double it if I take it. Do I want to double it? Well, it starts with 1. So let's do it. Take the maximum. Mass point max. So it should be at least 10. Or doubling sounds too much. But let's do, and then const costs to be bonus HP. Let's say I divide by 10. Point seal. Now I check if player QNC bigger equals upgrade costs. Then I do it. And I also need to do player QNC minus equals upgrade cost. Okay. Now let's display QNC. Game paint. And stats UI is my character stats, maybe. Time, distance, HP time. Does the tower builder still have its own? Let's put white, black, QNC, or let's make a dollar sign. I have the player here. I have a character. I change it to a player. Character equals player character. Now I would have the player, the QNC. Okay. Here I just put in the player and that's already it. Okay. And didn't move it. HP $200 so let's move it a bit more. I can do 2GT. Oh, I have. Okay. This is a lot of money. Of bonus HP better. Let's start with if 0, I paint it. Let's do it this way. Let's go to tests. I start with 10 now. Cannot do more. Okay. I need to get QNC somehow. So I have 0 QNC. No, let's do 10 again. I want to display at the building the cost. It's these two for now. Export function upgrade building next upgrade upgrade the next upgrade costs. Cost next bonus amount. This is a number. This is a so I can turn. No, I return this. And I turn here. Okay, I need bonus amount is I want what do I need for this? I make it based on the upgrade. Okay. So a character upgrade. Character upgrade. So if character upgrade got is this possible? Because it's a key behind it. Key string upgrade key. If upgrade key is character upgrade, no, or bonus. This is bonus HP. Then const bonus HP equals character upgrade as character upgrade bonus HP. Then I can do no, this is not correct. It's down here. Count is let's think I have this one, which I return HP. Let's say, or I return 0, I guess. Well, problem. Okay, and here I do const bonus HP equals this one. Character upgrade key. I don't need this, it seems. I need, doesn't he? Okay, complaints. Turn 0 otherwise. And HP upgrade. You know the key? Yes. Same for these other costs. Upgrade amount. I can calculate them. By paint interact. Can calculate them. Think the upgrade building. I could change this up to only use the key and use the upgrades instead. Uh, and map key for map object. Okay. Find the building. I find the upgrade building. The bonus HP. It could be that it does not exist yet. And I need the interactor behind it. No, this is complicated. Let's try again. To upgrades. I need to know have the upgrade key. I'm confused. When I paint, I have the interactor. And from the interactor, I need to find the player to find the upgrades. So let's change it. Character upgrades, character upgrades. It's with the key. Now, what does Max do if bonus HP does not exist? Because he doesn't see that this can be undefined. Undefined. Does he still doesn't see it? Then I would change it up. Made character upgrade or undefined. Upgrade. If I don't have the upgrade. Let's return 10. Const HP upgrade is upgrade as this thing. This might already work. Now, need not the HP upgrades. The play upgrades. Is this better? I don't know. So let's do this. Now the player. Wait. Now I have some values. Building permanently increase HP. Costs dollar. Upgrade costs. Upgrade costs for bonus HP. Pressing 2 by K. Let's see. Upgrade building. Permanent increase HP. Costs $1 for 10 HP. Buy. Suck. $1 for 10 HP. I think this did it again. $2 for 20. $4 for 40. Okay. This is $8 for 80. Now I need to get QNC. Let's add this and then I'm done for today. Game end game. Let's make a function give currency to player. Let's give the game. It's king kill. Okay. Let's do this. Game is king kill. So just do calculate high score on game end. This is I go over all players. Player length players. I don't care for character classes and I want the distance. I make it dirty for now. I don't care about this. I can import it. Game state map. I have that highest player distance is equals. Let's start with 0. And if this is bigger, I put it. And in the end, I do that currency gain equals. Okay, and is currency gain distance equals highest player distance point max, don't go below 0. Player distance divided by 1000 minus 1 minus 2. So the first 2000 distance don't count. And add currency gain. Okay. If is king kill, I add currency gain. Let's. Can I find out the king which was killed? Game state boss stuff bosses -2 links -2 net boss equals const. This could be let's check just to be safe. Bigger 2, bigger 1, bigger equals 2. So I need 2 to do this. If boss and boss currency gain plus equals boss max HP divided by 5 million. No, this wouldn't be 10 by 1 million. 50 coins. So this would give me on 2000 20,000 distance 20 coins. This give me 10 coins. Why not? Or let player of game state players player QNC plus equals QNC gain. Give QNC to player. I exported function. Put it somewhere. And let's see. I have 0. Now I have 10 currency. Now kill me. I have 19. Next. $17. I can do one more. Okay, I'm in the boss room. $22. Okay, now I have some simple, but it's not saved, so I lose it once I'm gone. And it's okay. But good enough for now, and a good place to stop, I guess. Run the test ones. For looking good, let's Did run in the background a bit. Task, I need to make upgrade cost currency. What is the next is local storage for permanent upgrades. This will be interesting. And next upgrade building movement sped. Some steps. Upgrade buildings first. Appears when currency earned. It's not what current is. Add in spawn chunk bottom line. I do this. I have 500,000. Meta. So it's done. Don't have any errors. Looking good, so I can push. What do I have? Redesign code for more buildings. New building. HP upgrades or new building, upgrade building. Upgrade building for HP. QNC added. Something like this. Something more. I guess it fits. And something else. I guess I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.